What's going on, everybody? This is my first YouTube video, just kind of showing my journey a little bit and doing a little back testing today. Today is currently October 13th. It's a Monday. It was a bank holiday. I believe it was Columbus Day, but we could go over today. I did not trade today because it was a bank holiday, but there was a good trade that my buddy told me about. Probably would have went half size on it just because if we look over at this 4-hour chart in the higher time frame, I mean, obviously we swoop down super low, but it is nothing technical. It is just because Trump said the word tariff in China, so that kind of sucked a little bit, but hopefully it brings us back in a good PA. And I don't really like trading all-time highs, so not too bad of a thing. I mean, always look at the bright side there. So it could be better PA these coming days, like today, honestly. But again, we did not trade it. So this was about 8:45, which I'm in Central Time, so that'd be 9:45 Eastern. But if you come over here, let's see where we at. So if you look on the right side of your screen, we have an SMT. All right. So what is an SMT? Well, bang, right here. Look at that. We swooped down lower, took out these lows, and right here we did not. So NQ, we took out these lows, swooping lower, and this is just a sign of manipulation. ES did not, kind of indicating that we wanted to go higher, but again, you can't just trade off of that. You have to use just use it with other confluences for your trade. But this definitely made this trade A or A plus. Again, the only concern is that 4-hour huge gap, but again, that's just because of Trump and nothing really technical or market moving that way. But again, so we had a 5-minute gap. So after we sweep this low, we always want to search for the highest inversion on the chart. And as you can see, that is a 5-minute gap. So we had this 5-minute gap right here. Mark that out. And this was the only gap on the leg. So right when we inversed and closed this candle, right above, we would have entered, taking out these highs right here would have been our target, and we put our stop loss right below the fair value gap for a little bit over a 1-to-1, but that would have played out and that would have been nice. But as of right now, only one Express account. Again, we were at all-time highs for a while. Government shutdown, market's been a little iffy, so I'm just trading those combines, trying to get more. The goal would be 4 to 5, and then I just trade a fifth of the size or a fourth of the size I would, and then that way it's safer and I wouldn't lose an account or go lower in drawdown. I believe top step you only have to make 150 a day, or 4 green 150 days, and then you get a payout, something like that. But otherwise, I have this session going now that I've been trading on, so exit that. So this is around what my model is, and I do have a mentor right now I'm learning from, which I'm super thankful for, and he's been helping me out. And yeah, this is just gonna probably post on here more, show the journey a little bit, give some education, and yeah. But 73% win rate. Was trading back testing for about 4 hours last night, 3 hours. I accidentally traded London session. I did not mean to. It just got super late, and I guess I got tired. So after that, and I realized I did that, I was like, holy crap, I just got to get off. Like, I'm not even in it. But around 73% win rate. I believe what we're looking for is like a 70, so this is good again. But yeah, we can get into some charts and hopefully find a trade and maybe see what's going on here. But again, you always want to look higher time frame first. So what is the higher time frame telling us? So we were in a huge trend. We don't trade the trend, but again, trend is your friend. We'll keep that marked out up there. Get rid of that little box. And yeah, so you always look to the left. What do we have here? So do have liquidity right here that we just swept, and then could go down here and once more down here. So we could target this, or we could reverse here. I would be leaning more bearish than bullish here, but I wouldn't be upset about a buying opportunity as well. But this is Tuesday, April 24th, or Tuesday, April 23rd, 2024. And this is at 5 a.m. 4-hour candle, so let's mark out a couple of things here. Mark out that box. We do have a gap down here. This would be very nice to trade back into. Very, very nice. I would like this a lot. I guess I could mark out that line, change the color a little bit. It's internal range. Same thing here. Do that. And then no gaps here. What's the hourly looking like? Respected this hourly. Put a 4-hour here. And then, alright, let's go to the 5-minute chart. So really looking for A plus setup here. So this is going to be at 8:55, I guess, because I was just on a 4-hour chart. Yeah, 8:55. Would we have traded anything? No. Looking at it already, I could tell I would have taken nothing. These are, I guess these are Asia lows. We can mark that out. And then this is, that is London lows. And that's also, this would be A plus. I would love a trade into here. Can't see if there's an SMT because I don't know if someone could tell me, but I cannot figure this out. Alright, otherwise, let's go here. So let's, is there a 15-minute? There is a 15-minute. So mark that out there. Okay, I would like to trade into here again. If we have not swept this and we trade into here, I would actually take a long probably, if there was an entry. But let's see. We're just chopping. Okay, we took the high. This is at 9:30, 10:30 for other people, or Eastern. Let's mark out that. Okay, so obviously we are in a buy side model. Let's see what we get. Okay, we take out that. And I'm gonna guess we chop the rest of the day. That will be my guess. And would you know it? We chop. Okay, cool. So don't trade that day. Awesome. Can never complain about no trades. Can never complain about that. Hope you guys like the setup right now. Currently at the frat penthouse, or Fent house, if you want to call it that. But yeah, let's move on. So we want to be right about there. It's 5 a.m. Bang. Alright, so we're going to end up, dang it, we took this high again. I think we're going back to this 4-hour right here. There's a 4-hour gap here that we could be cautious about, but it hasn't been traded back into, so that is the scary thing. Looks like we tapped it right there. I could see us going lower here, unless we just keep the setup going. I mean, we'll have to see. Oops. See what the market brings us. Actually, there was a 4-hour here, wasn't there, as well? Bang, bang. There's a gap there too. See if we can trade back in there. Almost did. this could have been really good, actually. I don't like that we have this 4 hour here. And I don't know if we're going higher. That's 30 points. Let's see what this would be. I don't know how confident. No, I say let's go for it. Did we not go to the 4 hour? If we didn't go to the 4 hour, I would actually go crazy for this. That's gotta be right there, right? Oops. Alright, yep, we're going for it. Get out of here, volume. Get out of here, volume. Alright. Okay, going back and looking at this right here. This is not good. This is horrible. I just didn't realize it at the time. I was in my head. Obviously, everyone makes mistakes. Everyone's human. But that's not the point. I thought about this trade way too long. If you ever think about a trade like what I just did here, I mean, take it from me. Like, did it hit this 4 hour? Oh, I didn't know. Do we still need to take it? Is this gonna work out? Oh, am I bearish? Am I bullish? No, just don't take it. Lay off the charts, and that's exactly what I should have done here. This was pretty crappy price action that we did go over, but I mean, dude, like I just thought about this too long. Like, why would you ever take a trade where you're thinking, and you don't even know for sure. I mean, I didn't think it took this 4 hour, and it looked really good, like we needed to. But again, there could have been an SMT there. ES could have or S&P 500 or ES. It could have taken it right here. There's a lot of things that could have happened that did limit me to make a bad decision. Yes, but should I even have taken it just looking at this chart? No, because I thought about it for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and you just never want to do that. So just wanted to put that out there, learn from me, and yeah. Okay. Wow. That was not good. Alright, well, on to the next day. Alright, well, let's get a win in here. That's embarrassing. Oh, dude, did we even tap it? I mean, I guess we could have. I mean, oh, that was... If we didn't, I don't know. That's super close. Okay, well, let's just move this here. Could have been a great trade, actually, at market open. Let's see. Nope, there wasn't. day sucks. Wow. April 2024. Not a good month. There might be a buy right here. Could have taken, again, this is 25 minutes after market open, so we could have missed it, but don't really see it. I think we're definitely gonna go up for these highs. Definitely gonna buy. No, probably wouldn't have taken it. Oh, what is this PA? Slowly but surely. Oh, dude, we're not tapping anything. Oh, here we go. That was the whole day. Wow. And I guarantee London is going to take out this high right here. I'm going to be stuck in a bad spot again. Oh, one more. Okay, we wicked into here. Alright, let's see. Okay, well, zoom in a bit more. And, criminal. This might be the worst fucking month to backtest. But I mean, why are we not trading? Why are we not trading? we want to take out these. We're not getting an entry. We're not going lower, so it's in a discount or it's being manipulated. So it's just not safe. We had one loss, yeah, that sucks, but it will happen. Win rate, oh my gosh, win rate speaks for itself. But I'm gonna try and find a winning trade here. Just like we are just like what time? Yeah, it's already 11. Like we don't want to be trading now. Ugh. And like it's just not like wouldn't this even play out? Like this is like a B setup. Maybe B minus. Probably a B minus. And honestly, no, that's not even that good. Oh, and it would have played out. Maybe. Nope. Nope. Holy crap. Man, I mean, we're horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. We wicked it again. Was there an entry? So 7:30 we wicked it. 8:30 we open, we go back into the wick. Oh, there actually could have been an entry here. It's kind of cheating. Well, there was a 1 minute. There wasn't a 1 minute. Second. Like you could go break even here. The highest inversion of the leg, which would have been this 32nd. So you would take this here, go about right here. You definitely go break even right here though. Again, there's a 32nd, but you could find, it doesn't look like there's any other gaps. But no, right here, and I would honestly put it at the bottom of this wick, because it is a 32nd. Like, I don't expect this fair value gap to hold as well as like a 4 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute would. But again, so you can come back here, bang, go back. Oh yeah, I'm on the 32nd. What am I doing? And then you would just go long here. TP there. Stop loss there. And it is a high time frame PD array. I would think there's probably an SMT here too. And then you would just play it out. So like that. That one was kind of cheating, but that is the method. We'll try and find one more real win, and we'll try and stop it before market opens here. We still haven't taken out these highs. What day is it? It was Tuesday. Tuesday's always my favorite. Oh my god. Bang. Okay. I like these lows. I like these lows. I don't know what these lows are. Holy. Still haven't taken these highs. We haven't taken these lows. We edged these highs. Might have been an SMT there. Hourly. Oh, I definitely stopped it at 8:55 too, but there was not an entry. No, it's at market open, not trading at market open. No 15 minute. 5 minute looks insane. Holy. Bang, bang, bang. There we go. Alright, let's find one more. Yeah, so I was going to find another one, but I think we'll just leave it at 2 wins and 1 loss. So I think the win rate went down like just slightly, but who really cares? So yeah, it looks like Tuesday is the best day to trade for me, and I will take that into account. But yeah, that was pretty much it for now. Maybe I'll post tomorrow with market open. I mean, Asia's opening right about in 2 minutes. We'll see. I mean, we got this huge gap to fill. But it's kind of weird because it's because of tariffs, because of Trump. I mean, maybe we're just going to have to scale down and really find a good trade to take. But, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be bearish or bullish, but kind of going to see what London and Asia do tomorrow. But, yeah, that was it. So, shitty backtesting, shitty PA, but ended up still catching 3 trades. So, yeah, thank you.